If your hair extensions look wild in the morning, you're missing a trick. Want to keep them silky overnight? Let's get into it. First up, always brush your Vienna Sky extensions gently before bed. Use a soft bristle brush or wide-tooth comb to detangle starting from the ends and working your way up. Next, skip the tight ponytails. Instead, try a loose braid, a low ponytail with a silk scrunchie or a soft bun. These styles help prevent tangling and breakage while you toss and turn. Now let's talk products. A tiny bit of leave-in conditioner or a lightweight hair oil on the ends keeps your extensions smooth and hydrated, but don't go overboard. Too much product can weigh them down. Here's a game changer. Sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase. Cotton can snag your extensions and cause frizz, but silk lets your hair glide smoothly, reducing damage. And big don't hear never go to bed with wet extensions. Damp hair is more fragile and prone to tangling, so make sure everything's dry before you hit the pillow. To sum up, detangle, use protective styles, add a touch of moisture, stick to silk and keep those extensions dry. Follow this routine and your Vienna Sky extensions will look gorgeous night after night. Sweet dreams and even sweeter hair.